is my weird, crazy, awesome world doing today? Well, tonight, what do we want to say? It's kind of like both. Okay, so just a couple updates. I do want to say I appreciate you guys so much. I thank you guys so much. I am just overwhelmed and overjoyed about how well I'm doing, and if you guys wasn't going to vote, I wouldn't be doing as good as I am. So thank you guys so much. I do appreciate you guys, and you guys are just so awesome. Please keep it up. I did put some new pictures on the my profile on Maximum Cover Girl. So go ahead and go over there and look. Get your one free vote today. Enter yourself into a raffle. Okay, anyways. So, whipped cream swimwear. Top 15 ends in 20 hours, and I would advance to top 10. And I rank 1 of 16 right now, so that is super awesome. I did put a new picture on that category. 50 Shades of Grey, Tokyo. Top 5 ends in 1 day, and I advanced to the entry round victory lap, and that I am 2 of 9. So still top 5. Super good. I'm super, oh my gosh. If I win, I would probably have a heart attack. Hope not. But for real. Maximum Cover Girl 2026. Top 10 ends in 2 days. And I would advance to the entry round final. And I rank 4 of 15. So still top 5. Awesome. I'm super, you guys don't know, I'm lost for words. Okay, so, Salty Mermaid, top 5 ends in 6 days, and I would advance to the entry round